I've never done anything wrong. I mean, yes, I'm the biggest hoarder of wealth in human history, and I bought a presidential election, and that president fired anyone who ever tried to regulate me, and I fired thousands of federal employees, and I lied to lay the groundwork to take away Social Security while receiving $8 billion a day in government contracts, and I break up my own unions, and I got this hapdog haircut, and I use X to defraud my investors, and I pretend to champion free speech while actively suppressing it on Twitter, which I bought and turned into a hate-fueled nuclear-bred propaganda machine, and I disowned my own trans daughter and continued to humanize trans people even though I myself received gender-affirming care in the form of hair plugs and a botched cock implant, and I barely talked with the rest of my 13 kids, and I claim to be an authority on anti-Semitism despite downplaying the evils of Hitler and actively supporting Germany's new far-right hate party, and my grandfather being a literal Yahtzee and doing the old Yahtzee hello on the world stage twice, and I claim that Canada is not a real country, and I support Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and I called a heroic Thai diver a pedo because he made me look dumb, and I reinstated the Twitter account of an actual pedo because I agreed with his politics, and I still think the numbers 420 and 69 are funny as an adult man, and I continue to try and tell jokes in public even though no one's ever laughed with me in my entire life. But other than that, what did I do?